Hey everyone, welcome back with me again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your face into a cartoon character on CapCut. So first, you need to add your clips with your face clearly visible on the video. And after that, just go straight to the effects and click on the body effects. And in here, find the role category and you'll find cartoon face effect. Just click on that and wait for it to apply to your clips. Okay, so now the effects has been applied to my clip. Just click on a check icon and make sure that the effects is applied to all of your clips. And just like that, this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like into this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.